So today I'm going to withdraw $110 from my MiniPay platform down to my local bank account. And when you consider today's rate, that should be over 151,000 from MiniPay account down to my local bank account. So if this is what you want to watch, then I'm going to take you step by step on how I'm going to withdraw $110 from MiniPay down to my local bank account. But before we go into that, I want to let you know what research said. Do you know what that said? Research say that 90% of you that is watching this video do not use to like the video. So I want you to prove the research wrong by clicking on that like button. It's not going to take extra data from you. Just use this opportunity right now, click the like button, and also use the opportunity to join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button here. So I believe you've clicked the like button, and I believe you've joined the family by clicking on that subscription button. Oh yeah, let's get into the video. To get started with MiniPay, you first and foremost need to visit your Google Play Store or your App Store, search for MiniPay, get it downloaded, go through the registration process. It's not going to be difficult to get you registered. Now, once you are done with the registration, this is definitely the interface you are going to see. Now, this video is to show how I'm able to withdraw around $110 from MiniPay platform down to my local bank account. And when you look on my dashboard, you are going to see that I have $147.38 cents. So let's turn down this to see how much that is when it comes to our local currency. Let's go, guys. Now that should be around 201,920 naira. So let's turn it back to USD and proceed with the withdrawal. If I've gotten to this point, click the like button here and go ahead to join this family by clicking on that subscription button. So let's turn it back to USD and click on withdraw. Now it's back to USD, and what we're going to do is to click here that says withdraw. So let's go, guys. Click on withdraw. This is the interface you're going to see. So we have two different options on withdrawing. The first one says NGN, the second one says exchange. When it comes to NGN, that means we want the money to go to a normal local bank account. That is the first step. That is the first option rather. Now, if you don't want the money to go into your local bank account, you want it to go into your maybe KuCoin, Binance, Trust Wallet, that is when you make use of the second one. So the second one, it means that any amount of dollar or USDT that you want to withdraw, it is going straight to your crypto wallet. So we're going to use the first one, which is NGN, because of course I want the money to hit my local bank account. So let's proceed, guys. So I've clicked on the NGN, and they're showing me my wallet. So over here I have a 0.05 USDM, and here I have 147 $0.32 USDT. Okay, so I'm going to be choosing the first one. That is where I'm going to be making the withdrawal. So let's click on the first one. So I've clicked on the first one, and what I'm going to do next is to type in the amount I want to withdraw inside this box. So let's type $110. So I'm done typing the $110. What I'm going to do next is click over here that says continue. So let's click on continue and proceed, guys. So I clicked on continue, and over here is the amount. They are showing me that this is how much, as at today's rate, this is the total amount I will be expecting down to my local bank account. And a dollar as at today's rate is around 1,379 naira. So if this is okay for us, let's go ahead and click here that says continue. So let's proceed, guys. So I've clicked on continue, and they're asking me to select the particular bank account that I want the money to go into. So I'm going to click over here. So if you are yet to link any bank account to your MiniPay app, this is also an opportunity for you to do that. Okay, so I've already linked two of my local bank accounts, so I'm going to select one that the money will be entering. Let's go, guys. So I've opened it, and I'm going to select one particular account that I want the money to go in. But if you are yet to link your local bank account, this is opportunity. So what you're going to do is to click over here that says add new recipient. So once you click on add new recipient, select that your account, just proceed. I wouldn't want this video to take time. I would have gone ahead to show you how to link, but just follow it. Is user friendly. If I've got you to this point, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's proceed, guys. So I've selected the account that I want the money to go in. What I'm going to do next is to click over here that says initiate withdrawal. So this is just like analysis of your withdrawal. It is showing you the amount you want to withdraw. It is showing you the fee that are going to charge you, which is 0.01 USDT, the rate at which the dollar is as at the now I'm making this video, which is $1,379.41. Sorry, 1,379 naira 41 kobo, and this is the total amount I'll be expecting in my local bank account. So let's proceed to click here that says initiate withdrawal. So I've clicked on initiate withdrawal, and what I'm going to do is to click here that says withdraw and type in my password, right, so they can process the withdrawal. So let's click on withdraw. So I've clicked on withdraw, and they are trying to match me with a particular merchant that is going to be sending the money to my local bank account. So let's wait a little bit. Okay, so they've selected a particular merchant that is going to be sending the money to me, and the name of the merchant is Joel. Okay, and this is the total amount I will be expecting from this merchant to send into my local bank account, which is 151,721 naira. So let's wait a little bit. Withdrawal here, it doesn't take time. Okay, so let's wait a little bit. So they say that the merchant has already sent the money to my local bank account. So you can decide to go back to your normal dashboard, but before doing that, or before alerting this platform, this MiniPay platform, that you've received the money, I recommend you go to that your account, log into your account, your bank app, yes, to see if you actually received that money before you can be able to allow this platform to release that USDT or that dollar that you want to withdraw. So what I'm going to do is to go to my OPay account, because that is the account I wanted them to send the money to. So I'm going to log into my OPay account to see if actually I received this money before I can allow the $110 to go. So let's go, guys. So I've logged into my OPay account, and of course I'm able to receive the money. So when you look over here, you will discover that I have received 151,721 naira. So I'm going to click on it to see the proper details of the transaction. So I've opened it, and of course this is the amount that I received, which is 151,721 naira, and it came from Kellen Luxury, right? So we've actually received the money. So what we're going to do is to move over to the platform again to release the $110 so that this particular merchant can have it, right? So let's move over, guys. So I'm back to the platform. What I'm going to do is to leave a review. Now, it's not compulsory to leave a review, but anytime I'm done making withdrawal, I love leaving a review for that particular merchant. So I'm going to click here that says leave a review. So I've clicked on leave a review. What I'm going to do is to click here that say good, because the withdrawal was good, and I'm going to type was fast because it obviously was fast. So let's proceed, guys. So I've clicked on good, and I've clicked on was fast. Okay, so very simple comments, right? So what I'm going to do is to submit my review and go back to my dashboard. So I've submitted my review, and over here you can see they said thank you for your review. You're welcome. So what I'm going to do is to click over here to cancel, so I can move over to my dashboard. Now this is my dashboard, and when you look over here, you discover that I've withdrawn $110. You can see it's writing minus $110, and this is the balance I have currently, which is $37.38. So I'm going to switch this, okay, to see how much it is now when it comes to my local currency. So it's around 51,209 naira. So let's switch over to USDT and call it a day. If I've got you to this spot, I'm proud of you. You are doing well. Go ahead and click that like button and join this beautiful family by clicking on that subscription button. Let's go, guys. So I'll switch over to USDT, and guys, this is how you can seamlessly withdraw money from MiniPay platform down to your local bank account. Pass like this, guys. Pass like this. If you want an investment that is capable of paying you around 23% per annum, then I'll be leaving a video towards the end of this video. Click on that video. You are definitely going to see. Now that platform is secured. It's secured and regulated by SEC, Security Exchange Commission, right? So it is well secure, so you don't need to fear anything. So towards the end of this video, click on the video. You are definitely going to see step by step on how you are going to get that done. Cheers, guys. This is all I have for you in today's video. Cheers. Hey there, I'm glad you stick to the end of this video, and I am really proud of you. This simply means that you really want to do something about your finance, and I am personally rooting for you. Now, in case you've been investing and your investment has been paying you around 12, 15 or maybe 16% per annum, then I made a research and I brought out a particular platform that can be able to pay you up to 23% per annum. Now, how cool is that? 23% per annum. So if you want to watch the video while I take you step by step on how you can be able to get up to 23%, and also let you know the platform that is also secured to get that 23%, then I recommend you click on this video you're seeing on the screen right now. Yes, go ahead and click on the video, and I will definitely see you on the other side. Keep winning. Yes, please don't forget that. Keep winning, and always have it at the back of your mind that Leo is rooting for you. And until when I'm going to see you on this video. Bye, comrade.